What are commercial papers in Nigeria? Many people do not understand what commercial papers are all about, and oftentimes when they hear about it, they don't know what it is. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Money Mindset with Emma. Today we'll be diving into the world of finance and to understand what commercial papers are all about. So, what are commercial papers? Imagine a big company needs a short-term loan to fund its operations, like buying raw materials or paying salaries. Instead of going to the bank, they can issue what is called a commercial paper. It is like a fancy IOU. Investors buy these papers, lending money to the company for a short period of time, usually few months, like 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. The company promises to pay back the money with interest at the end of the term or to pay the interest upfront. So, how safe are commercial papers? This could be a question you'll be asking in your mind. So, commercial papers are generally considered less riskier than bonds. The risks depend heavily on the company issuing the paper. A strong, well-established company is more likely to repay its debt than a smaller, less stable one. So, the safety depends on who is asking for the loan. How can an investor have confidence in commercial papers? Well, here, how investor can feel more confident in commercial papers. Number one, do your research. Don't just jump into any commercial paper. Look at the company's financial health. Are they profitable? What is their credit rating? How much debt do they already have? So when you ask all these questions, you will know which is best. The next thing to consider, check the credit rating. Rating agencies like the Augusto & Co. and DataPro assess the creditworthiness of companies and the commercial papers they issue. So a good rating means the company is more likely to repay. So looking for ratings from these agencies before you invest will help you to understand how strong the company is. Consider the issuer. The number of times a company has issued commercial paper isn't necessarily a direct indicator of its strength. However, a company that consistently issues and repays commercial paper demonstrates some level of financial discipline. So what's more important is the quality of the company and its ability to manage its debts. Again, you look at diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in commercial papers from different companies to spread your risk. If one company defaults, you won't lose everything. So you need to, spread all your risk. Again, understand the terms. Know the interest rates, the maturity dates, and any other conditions attached to the commercial paper. You must do your due diligence by looking at all this. Who are the people who regulate commercial paper? In Nigeria, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is the main body overseeing the capital market, including commercial papers. They set rules and regulations to protect investors and ensure fair practices. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, also plays a role, particularly concerning monetary policy and the overall financial system. So key things to remember in this video. Number one, risk is always involved in every business. Every business have its risk. Even life itself have risk. So in commercial paper, you can never erase risk. It can happen. So even with careful research, there is always a chance a company might not be able to repay. Due diligence is crucial. Take the time to understand the company and the commercial paper before you invest in it. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about anything, talk to a financial advisor, and that is why I am here for you. Always come back to me and talk to me. You will get clarification. Investing in commercial papers can be a good way to earn returns, but it's essential to do your homework and understand the risk involved. So, what do you think? Are you ready to explore the world of commercial paper? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and family, because there are a lot of people out there who really do not have information on all the investment opportunity in Nigeria. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful financial tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.